Is the trusted devices list not available on your iPhone? Let's fix that. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open settings on your device first. In settings, click on your Apple ID. Scroll down and click on the sign out option there. Enter your Apple ID password and click on turn off. Once signed out, sign into your Apple ID again and see if the problem is fixed yet. If it is still not available, go to your preferred browser and search for support.apple.com. Tap on the device you are currently using. I will click on iPhone. Scroll down until you see the Get Support option. If you want, you can also download the support app and repeat the process there too. I will click on Start Now under Get Support. Depending on your country or region, you will get the option of directly calling or chatting with Apple support. Click on the option that is available for you and go ahead and describe your problem and your problem will be fixed. Next, go to Settings again and tap on your Apple ID. You will see the option for Sign In and Security, or it might also be labeled as Password and Security. Click on that and then click on Change Password. Enter your iPhone passcode and go ahead and change the password of your Apple ID. And by now your problem should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.